relations of the left kidney. It is related, the upper pole is related to suprarenal gland, medial side it is related to the hilus, and down it is related to the ureter. The anterior relations are here the pancreas, and here will be the stomach, and here will be the descending colon. Stomach will be the splenic vessels.
Posterior relations of the left kidney are diaphragma, quadratus lumborum, transverse abdominis, and this is subcostal vessels, and subcostal nerve, iliohypogastric nerve, ilioinguinal nerve.